Our top story tonight, there's new information on the coronavirus outbreak. Today, we've heard from the president and the governors from West Virginia and Ohio. President Trump says to avoid discretionary travel and gatherings of more than 10 people. Ohio's governor wants to delay tomorrow's primary election, and West Virginia is still without a confirmed case of COVID-19. Joining us this evening to break it all down is Todd Boucher, who's in the newsroom. Todd, the day started with updates from local officials and ended with the president. A lot of new information this evening. First off, what is Governor DeWine saying about tomorrow's primary in Ohio?
Well, the big news today, Brittany, at least to a part of our region, Ohio's governor asking a judge to delay the state's presidential primary until June 2nd. That is early voting for what was supposed to be the March 7th primary, in other words, tomorrow's, ended today. The governor was accompanied by Secretary of State Frank LaRose, who said people would still be able to request and fill out absentee ballots for the primary. But DeWine said people he spoke to were conflicted about being able to cast votes in what could be crowded polling places without concern about being infected.
We should not force them to make this choice. A choice between their health and their constitutional rights and their duties.
And while DeWine was speaking, Governor Jim Justice was giving an update on the virus to West Virginia reporters. The governor was asked about closing restaurants, bars, and other non-essential businesses, as DeWine announced for Ohio on Sunday. Justice said it was an issue he, in his words, would have to address soon. And this morning, Wood County officials held a briefing on local response to the outbreak. The Mid-Ohio Valley Health Department said it is recommended that mass gatherings be limited and for the public to use common sense about going out among other people.
We have sent out information about mass gatherings, limiting the amount of people, trying to be in open areas, not in closed areas, and just encouraging people, if you're sick, please stay home.
WVU Medicine Camden Clark Medical Center today instituted a visitation policy, including a limit of one visitor per patient. Also, Vienna Mayor Randy Rapp said that while the city building is still open to visitors with the restrictions, the city's parks and senior center activities in Vienna have all been closed. Now, the latest figures on coronavirus cases in West Virginia, 84 people have been tested for the virus, and according to the Department of Health and Human Services, 80 have tested negative and 4 tests are still pending. In Ohio, 50 positive cases have now been reported by the State Department of Health.
Okay, thanks, Todd.